Hello friends, welcome to your channel Bro Pro Grindiaka. The best part is feeling so confident. I was so surprised by how good I felt after a few days. I don't feel hungry for crabs anymore like I used to every single afternoon. I feel full of positive energy when I wake up in the morning. Drinking this tonic once a day has some amazing benefit for me. I feel happy with my body. For the first time in years, just being able to wear my favorite jeans again after so many years feel wonderful. It's helped with my marriage enormously and my husband is delighted to get the happy me back again. But the best part is feeling so confident, getting compliments from others and being able to go with the beach or swim at the pool without feeling self-conscious about how I look. The change in the quality life has been phenomenal. It got to the point where I knew I had to do something about it fast. My weight was getting out of control and I could not even walk up the stair without getting out of breath. I was pretty worried about my heart and blood sugar level and my doctor gave me enough warning. When I started talking this new tonic formula in the morning, I noticed the changes were happening after only 3 days. My junk food craving just disappeared like that. I felt like I had lost of new energy, and the weight starting dropping off real fast. The change in my quality of life has been phenomenal. I feel like I did when I was younger. I had definitely recommended it. Will you want to make a change in your life for the better, John? I was skeptical about it working at first, but thank God I tried. I am very grateful that I stumbled upon your video. My life has been transformed since I lost 30 pounds. It feels great to look in the mirror these days. Lol. I was skeptical about it working at first, but thank God I tried. The part that worked best was when you saw the easy formula at the end of your video. Thank you so much, Rina. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. How many bottles of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic should I order? To experience the maximum health benefits, science tells us taking the ingredient in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for 3 to 6 months will release a super highway of health benefit, releasing fat, increasing calmness, supporting a healthy inflammation response and repairing metabolism. This is why we give you the option to make the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic available as a 3 or 6 bottle package at an outrageous discount. Because we want you to succeed, the 6-month package is the most beneficial and nearly all of our customers choose that one. You are welcome to choose that one too for as long as it is in stock. Is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic safe? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is produced by a professional laboratory, backed up solid scientific research, and is made in a clean, modern, FDA approved and GMP good manufacturing practices certified facility with regular audit and quality checks. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is free of all genres allergen, contain natural ingredient and is perfectly safe. If you have medical condition, it's recommended you discuss it with your doctor. It's not a flat burning pill or medication. It contains nature's finest natural nutrient for all the metabolism support. You won't feel jittery or an itch. Instead, you will overflowing with energy. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is one of the kind weight loss support supplement that rev up your metabolism to super fast level, enabling you to burn off pound of fat and be complete control of your weight. How fast will I lose weight? It all depends on how much weight you have to lose. Everybody is different. The more you need to get rid of, the faster it's likely to work. To start needing new clothes in just 10 days happen all the time in 1 or 2 months. You could be at your ideal weight already is the fastest. How do I take the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Just take one scoop of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic around 10 a.m. or around 1 hour after a light breakfast. Then we'll feel the nutrient work there was through your body as they provide their powerful metabolism boosting effect. If you want to this, please check out description which given below.